Okay. We will discuss about the denial of service module. This module flow is as shown here. It consists of seven module flows. First is DOS DDoS concepts, DOS DDoS attack techniques, botnets, DDoS case study, DOS DDoS attack tools, countermeasures, and then DOS DDoS protection tools. So let's start with the DOS DDoS concepts. Um, okay, it reduces, restricts, or prevents accessibility of system resources to its legitimate users. The attackers can bring down the system completely or at least reduce performance of the system. Gaining access is not the objective in this DDoS or DDoS. Usually it is to disrupt the services. Okay, and then some of the examples of DOS attacks: flooding the system with more traffic than it can handle. Flooding a service, example, Internet Relay Chat (IRC) with more events than it can handle. Crashing a TCP/IP stack by sending corrupt packets. Crashing a service by interacting with it in an unexpected manner. Hanging a system by causing it to go into an infinite loop. So these are some of the examples. In the worst case scenario, a DOS attack can cause the accidental destruction of the files and programs of millions of people who were connected to the victim system at the time of attack. So what is a DDoS attack? It is a coordinated attack that involves a multitude of compromised systems, usually called as botnets, attacking a single target, thereby denying services to users of targeted systems. Impact of DDoS: loss of goodwill, disabled network, financial loss, disabled organization. There will be two kind of victims: primary victim and secondary victims. The service under attack belong to the primary victim, whereas the compromised systems used to launch the attack are called secondary victims. DDoS attacks have become popular because of easy accessibility of exploit plans and the negligible amount of brain work required to execute them. So this is how the DDoS attack is carried out. So here the attacker sets a handler systems like this. The handler infects a large number of computers over the internet called as zombie systems. The zombie systems are instructed to attack a target server. So attacker sitting at a remote place with the use of the handlers or C2C servers, he can command the compromised PCs or zombies, and then via zombies he can target a particular server. So new way of DDoS which I was not aware is explained. Zombie agents send a connection request to a large number of reflector systems with the spoofed IP address of the victim. The reflector systems presume that these requests originated from the victim's machine instead of the zombie agents. Hence, the reflector systems send the request information to the victim. So the reflector systems send the requested okay to the victim. The victim's machine is flooded with unsolicited responses from several reflector computers simultaneously, which cause system shutdown. Okay, so DOS and DDoS attack techniques. This is the second module flow after DOS and DDoS concepts. Let's see this in the next video.